In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a zip download of your WordPress posts and pages. This is perfect if you want to export an entire collection of content, including media files, into a single easy to manage file. Start by installing a plugin to simplify the process. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type WP All Export or Export Media with selected content. Look for plugins with good ratings and active installations. They are usually reliable and user-friendly. Once you've found your plugin, click Install Now, then activate it. Activation will add a new menu item to your dashboard. For example, with WP All Export, you'll see an All Export option. Click it and then select New Export to start the process. Next, choose the type of content you want to export, posts or pages. You can also apply filters to export specific categories or selections, keeping your zip file focused and relevant. Now configure your export. Make sure to include all the fields you want and check the option to include media files like images. This ensures your exported zip contains everything you need. Finally, click Export. The plugin will package your selected posts or pages into a zip file, complete with a folder for all associated media. And that's it. Your WordPress content is now neatly zipped and ready to download. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.